I'm actually going to be uploading a video right now while I am cleaning. Also, I haven't worn my natural hair out in so long, so this is quite interesting for me. It's still a bit wet from the wash and go I did last night. Also, this is my cleaning day. I'm sick, so I have to be in the apartment. So I'm uploading this vlog that you will see before this one. Back to cleaning. Okay, so I've cleaned and now I'm just going to get my posts ready to go for my Beyond Quartz page. So follow me there on Instagram at Beyond Quartz. I'm gonna get a couple days worth of posts set up. Don't forget to follow me at Beyond Quartz. I'm a silent guy. I've got an outfit. I've boiled some eggs. Do y'all like boiled eggs? Not bad. I'm just eating these naked, but these are just some seasonings or whatever. But sometimes they're good naked. I also did my hair a little bit. So I'm doing 3 days of consistency. Like back-to-back consistency, with like me journaling, with me meditating, and me just being very intentional. The thing is, I could do these every day, but the intent isn't really behind that. Like my intent to be consistent or my intent for like self-growth and self-healing isn't usually behind it. It's usually like just what I do. I'm like, okay, let me meditate, you know. But I want to be more intentional about what I'm doing and like where I'm going with just my life journey, I guess you can say. So I want to be very consistent with myself. So I'm just gonna do like 3 days of consistency. This will be day 1, like I said before. I thought about going to the park or like at the top of a parking deck. I don't know, I kind of just want to get out of here. I am on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. This would be a cool picture spot, actually. I've taken pictures up here before. I used to do it a lot. It's like really hot, but I'm not hating it or anything. I'm also gonna write in my journal right now.